My name is Alexander Doak. I'm the director of a holistic hospice, and today I want to share with you some things I discovered while I was working on our Facebook pages. I've watched a lot of different videos and read a lot of articles about managing Facebook groups and managing Facebook pages, and they've got some good ideas, things like knowing your ideal customer, how to attract those customers, making your group a priority, and scheduling regular, posts and content. And those are all very good ideas and they do work. But I haven't seen anyone describe what I'm about to show you here today. So I highly recommend you follow along and take these additional steps to maximize the engagement with all of your Facebook group members or your page followers. So if you head on over to our Holistic Hospice YouTube channel, you'll see these two videos, and we may have other videos by the time you're watching this, but I'll put the links to these two videos in the description of the video you're watching now. So there's two options, one for a Facebook page and one for a group. So the first step is to watch the video that pertains to what you're trying to do. If you're working on a page, watch this video so you understand from a user's perspective what it is they're doing. And it should make sense why they're doing it. You're changing their notification preferences so that they always get notified when you put out content without having to pay to reach them. So this is a very important step, and your users are going to like this as well. It's not just for you. Your users presumably like your content and they want to see what you're putting out. So this is an important step for them to stay connected. But for you as the page manager, you're going to want to go to this YouTube video and click on share, then click on the Facebook icon, and then select the page that you want to manage. Now, obviously, if you're doing this for a group, you wouldn't select the page option, you would select the group option. And then I'm going to post as the page owner. So I'm going to just say something to the effect of, you can say whatever you want here, but I usually like to say something along the lines of, please make sure you follow these simple steps so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thanks. And then click post to Facebook. And so then after you do that, head on over to your page and refresh and scroll down to that post right here. And actually that's not it. That's the one I've already here, right here. It's important you see these right here. This one's not pinned. So find the post you just made, click on this little ellipsis here and pin it to the top of the page. And that guarantees that that's the first thing that people see when they come to your page. And that's important. You don't have to leave it there forever, but I would suggest maybe a few weeks, maybe a month. You want to keep that notation at the top. And your behavior here might be a little bit different if you're managing a group. Perhaps you could tag the names of all the different members or ask them to leave a comment to make sure they saw this post and they followed these instructions. For a page, you'll want to boost the post. And you don't have to do this, but I highly recommend it. It does cost money, but it's money well spent, because by doing this, you are more tightly connecting with your existing page followers so that you don't have to pay to reach them in the future. So this is actually money well spent. I would recommend just people who like your page, and get rid of any other criteria. You just want to have people who like your page as the only criteria. Go ahead and boost the post, and then everybody will start seeing that. And then hopefully they'll follow those instructions and then be connected with you. And then from that moment on, if they do have the see first option selected, then they're guaranteed to see your updates and you won't have to pay to get them, your updates in front of them. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about this method, let me know. But I haven't seen this anywhere else, and I'm definitely doing it on all my pages and in all my groups to make sure that I maximize on my engagement and that the people who like what we do see the content that we put out. All right. Thanks, guys.